Alright, so to fix your plastic gas tank, you're going to need some fine grit sandpaper. I'm going to be using JB Weld. Also have a putty knife, and I have a little wire brush here that's also going to help me clean up. First thing I'm going to do is drain all the gas. Then I'm going to let it sit for a while, let the fumes air out. At that point, then I'm going to go ahead and clean out the tank. I'm probably going to do like a soap and water, maybe simple green, or possibly also mineral spirits to clean. Alright, before I apply the JB Weld, I'm going to want to rough up the surface here so that when I put in the JB Weld, it's going to go ahead and stick in very well. We'll take a section of sandpaper here and rough up everywhere along the crack that you have. You want to give it a nice rough surface for the epoxy or the JB Weld to grab into. Alright, as you see here, my crack is located right in this groove right here. So I've sanded that nice and even all the way around, which will allow the JB Weld or the epoxy, whichever you're going to be using, to get in there nice and well. Okay, at this point I'm going to go ahead and mix up equal parts of the JB Weld. Alright, it's a little messy, but that should go ahead and cover up all the crack that I have. So I'm going to let that sit overnight and then come back and test it tomorrow with some water. So the tank sat overnight, and as you can see, the JB Weld has hardened. It created a nice little shell right over it. Okay, now that it's dried, I'm going to use some soapy water. I'm going to spray it wherever I did the JB Weld. I'm going to give it some air pressure just by blowing in the tank and see if we get any bubbles. So, as you can see right in there, we have lots of soapy water, but no bubbles.